Hi everybody, please join me and today you will see how to crochet headband with two patterns. For work I will use 6mm crochet hook and a ball of wool yarn. You can use any kind of yarn and any crochet hook to create your own project. Let's crochet the headband. I will begin from the foundation chain. Make a chain of 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. My foundation chain is ready. Let's crochet the first row. Make a chain. For transition part, insert the hook into the second chain stitch away from the hook. Make single crochet. Insert the hook into the loop, then insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through all loops on the hook. Insert the hook into the loop, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through first loop, pull through all loops. Pull through all loops on the hook. This is the perfect pattern to create scarf, snoot or another accessories for winter time, or it could be blanket. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Let's complete row 1. Insert the hook into the loop, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through all loops on the hook. So my first row is ready. Pattern consists of 1 stitch and pattern consists of 2 rows. Let's crochet the second row of the main pattern. Make a chain, turn the work in this way. Insert the hook into the stitch from the back like this. Make single crochet. Continue. Insert the hook into the loop or thread. Insert the hook into the next stitch from the back, pull up a loop. I have got 3 loops on the hook, pull through all loops on the hook. Insert the hook into the loop. There are 2 loops. Insert the hook into the loop or thread, insert the hook into the stitch from the back, pull up a loop, pull through loops on the hook. Let's repeat one more time. Insert the hook into the loop or thread. There are 2 loops. Insert the hook into the loop. Insert the hook into the thread. Pull up a loop, pull through loops on the hook. And one more. Insert the hook into the loop. Insert the hook through the next stitch from the back. Pull up a loop, pull through loops on the hook. Insert the hook into the loop. Insert the hook into the next stitch from the back, pull up a loop, pull through all loops. Let's stop and look what I have done. This is the back side and here this is the front. It looks like a cable. So keep working in this way till the end of this round. I'm about to complete round 2. This is the back side of the work. And let's make the last stitch. Insert the hook into the loop, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through all loops on the hook. My row is ready. Let's crochet row 3, make a chain, turn the work to the front side, and I will repeat the first row. I remind you, my pattern consists of 2 rows and has 1 stitch. You can use this pattern in anywhere. For me, I will use in headband. You can use for the kitchen stuff, for bedroom or bathroom. I remind you, I will repeat the first row. Insert the hook into the loop, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through loops. Insert the hook into the loop, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through all loops on the hook. So you should repeat these stitches till the end of this row. Let's complete this row with me. Insert the hook into the loop, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through loops on the hook. Row 3 is ready. Let's crochet row 4. It is going to be the same row like the second one. Make a chain, turn the work to the back side. Insert the hook into the loop from the back, insert the hook into the stitch. Insert the hook into the stitch from the back, make single crochet. Insert the hook into the loop. Insert the hook into the stitch. From the back, pull up a loop, pull through all loops on the hook. Insert the hook into the loop, insert the hook into the stitch from the back, pull up a loop, pull through all loops on the hook. Pull up a loop, pull through all loops on the hook. This is back side. Let's look at the front. Keep working this way till the end of this row. Then I will show you how to complete this round with me. I continue working. Let's complete this row with me. Insert the hook into the loop. Insert the hook into the stitch from the back. Pull through all loops on the hook. Make a chain. Turn the work. So you should repeat pattern as many times as you need for your project. My pattern consists of 2 rows and has 1 stitch. Here how my swatch looks like. This is the front side of my swatch. In my case it's gonna be a handband. In your case it could be scarf or a snoot or another accessories for kitchen or home. This is the back. Let's measure my swatch. It is 30 centimeters. You can crochet more rows or less. It depends on your project and size of the head. It is not elastic pattern, so I will add some rows of elastic pattern. And now I show you how to crochet the second pattern. It is very comfortable and simple at the same time. And now I show you how to continue working with the second pattern. This is my simple example. Let's measure my swatch. It is 15 centimeters, but it could be a little stretchy till the 17 centimeters or more. So next time you will see how to crochet the second pattern and make your handband stretchy. Let's make it with me. Let's crochet the stretchy part of the head band. So you should crochet this pattern as many times as you need for your size. Then I turn the work, make a chain, pull a little bit. So I turn the work like this. Insert the hook into the back loop. Make a slip stitch. Insert the hook into the back loop. Make a slip stitch. Work with back loops only. Make a slip stitch into each back loop. Pattern consists of 1 row and has 1 stitch. It is very easy to make and it is stretchy pattern. So I added this pattern to create my band more stretchy and more comfortable for myself. You can use this pattern to create belt or necklace or another accessories. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. I'm finishing this row. Make the last one, then make a chain and turn the work. Work into the back loops only, insert the hook into the back loop, make a slip stitch. So it is very simple. You don't need special skills, you just need to know basic skills for these patterns. So you should repeat this row as many times as you need. I remind you, the height of the handband or the length of the handband you determine with your own. It depends on your size and your project. Next time you will see how to join two sides together to create handband. I am finishing this row. Make a chain, turn the work and repeat one more time. Make a slip stitches into each back loop. So you should repeat this pattern as many times as you need for your personal project. Here how my swatch looks like. I continue working on my handband. After I have done the main pattern and I added rows of the second pattern for stretchy look, I put their fronts together. The beginning of the work is closer to me. This is the end of the work. And here is my working loop. And now I show you how to join two sides together. Let's start the joining points. Make a chain. Pull a little bit. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Insert the hook into the back loop of the second side. Here is my back loop. Then grab the yarn, pull it through, make a slip stitch. Insert the hook into the loop. Then insert the hook into the back loop. Make a slip stitch. You can sew two sides together using the sewing needle. I am using the crochet hook. You can use any way of the joining. I prefer joining with crochet hook. Insert the hook into the chain, insert the hook into the back loop, make a slip stitch and make a slip stitch across the row. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. My seam is ready. Here how row looks like. Let's complete this row. To secure the yarn by making a chain, I already cut off my yarn. Then you should remove the yarn along the stitches using crochet hook or sewing needle, whatever you like. I remind you, this is the back side of the project. It is a little bit stretchy, so it could be perfect for winter time. And let's look at the front. So that's it, my project is ready. You can add some rounds of trims for the bottom and upper part of the headband. It depends whatever you like. So my warm, stylish and comfortable headband is ready. I remind you, you can use both patterns to create any project. All additional information about the tools and useful links and another kind of information could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Please visit it. Now I would like to measure my headband. The height is 12 centimeters and the width is 23 centimeters. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can decorate your headband using my another video tutorials such as crochet flowers, leaves, crochet elements and projects. Also, I remind you, you can change the speed of the video tutorial if it's very fast for you. You can use cotton yarn or another kind of yarn which is fits for you. See you next time and bye!